is Rosa Cristina Quintero. I am 13 years old. I live in San Juan del Cesar, La Guajira. Actually, I work at Electric Caribe factory. I am 2 children. I am studying psychology. I like go out, work out the family, plays and listen music. I don't like the life. The restaurant I selected to realize my activity is named Ñoño Gourmet Resto Bar, which is ubicated on the 37 number 792, with attention in the public from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. to taking the palate of its customer of aperitifs. Fries diced crispy or fries cheese with toasted and pistachio. Served to grilled cheese what is become aromatized in slim herbal. Strong dish. Barbecue ribs or ribs dipped in barbecue sauce. Fresh tenderloin in white cut and pieces of sirloin in anchovies, sauces, and 5 herbs. Chicken rolls, esquisse breast rolls wrapped in bacon, dipped in white sauce of the half. Desserts, quesillo and Napoleon. Drinks, lemon juice, sangrias, juice, and beers. The house specialty is ñoño rice Peruvian creamy rice with seafood mix and yellow pepper. It has an excellent service, accessible personal with an excellent presentation and very fast with the service. It is for the reason that you could miss of enjoy these delicious dishes. You will not regret to taste the San Juanero sazon. Bye bye.